Enjoy the view of this 2019 Buick Cascada. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, backup camera, remote engine start, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Drive a little pleasure into your life. Drive a Cascada.